Good evening. I am your news anchor, Midshipman Osorio. Estonia Weather Report, May 28, 2025. Estonia is experiencing a mix of weather conditions today. Temperatures vary significantly across the country, ranging from cool coastal areas to warmer inland regions. Precipitation is uneven with some areas experiencing rain or isolated showers, while others remain partly cloudy. Winds are generally moderate. More precise information requires specifying a region within Estonia. Regional conditions. Coastal regions expect partly cloudy skies with a high near 10 degrees Celsius. Light to moderate winds are predicted as light chance of shower exists. Inland regions, a mix of sun and clouds is anticipated with the temperature reaching highs around 18 degrees Celsius. Moderate winds are expected. The chance of rain is low moderate. Southern Estonia, potentially warmer temperatures with highs near 22 degrees Celsius. Partly cloudy skies are likely with a higher chance of isolated showers or thunderstorm. Compared to the other regions, moderate to breezy conditions are expected. Detailed forecast. Temperature. Expect significant variation across the country ranging from approximately 10 degrees Celsius to 22 degrees Celsius. Precipitation. The chance of rain is low to moderate, varying by regions. Isolated thunderstorms are possible in southern areas. Wind. Generally, moderate winds are expected across most of the country with potentially stronger winds in southern regions. This report provides a general overview. For a precise and location-specific forecast, please consult a detailed weather service for a specific area within Estonia. Weather conditions can change rapidly, so stay updated.